All right, what is going on? Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you guys are seeing me, do me a big favor on the way in, hit that subscribe button. If you find the content useful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, so today we're going to be continuing with promoting our $25 business. It's a business that only costs you $25 to start, and then we're going to actually help you generate up to a six-figure annual income just with a business that only costs you $25 to start. So the series you're watching right now is right down here on my channel, guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. That way you'll get notified every time I drop a new video. But we're talking about right down here. So if you come to my channel, this is what my channel page looks like. If you scroll to the bottom down here on my page channel, you'll see this $25 business. All right. So if you click that, it'll actually show you each one of the videos that are in this series. So we've been through day 7. Okay. We talked about what the business is in day 1. We showed you guys the back office, how to set things up. And if you guys didn't want to do free traffic, which is usually, I'm going to show you guys how to use social media, different platforms to start generating tons and tons of free traffic. I'm actually what's called like a social media expert. I actually make about $1 million a year just using different platforms, generating free traffic to all of my affiliate marketing products. Okay. So I showed you guys in the last video, we started getting our account set up. The video right before this, which was day number 7, we showed you guys how to go get your different email accounts in that module. We showed you how to set all those up, where to go to Gmail. All that's covered over there in day 7. Now on day 5 and day 6, we showed you 2 paid platforms that you can purchase traffic from, okay? I'm not a big advocate of purchasing traffic, but those 2 actually convert to sales and they work. So that's why I introduced you guys to those platforms. I've used these and they actually convert into sales. So those are there if you want to do just paid traffic. You can do that, but my recommendation is starting on day 7 and beyond is learning how to use social media platforms to start generating free traffic, okay? And it's not as hard as you think. It's really simple. So hopefully you guys watched the previous video, which was on day 7. We showed you how to set up the accounts, how all that works. Now in today's video, we're going to be going and showing you which different apps you need to start downloading to your phone. There's going to be about 5 different apps that you need to use. They're all free. They don't cost you a dime. All the apps are free to use, so you're going to be able to go and download each one of those. That's what we're going to be covering here in just a second. I'll transition you guys into the training that I've already shot for today's video. And in that portion of this video, you're actually going to go and download the apps, put them onto your phone. I show you guys how they work and things like that. And then in the following video after that, we will start using those apps to start generating content on these social media platforms to start generating traffic to your My $25 business. But before we do that, what I like to do, let's go ahead and jump all over and let's find out where we're at with this $100,000 business of taking 25 bucks and making 100 grand with it. As you can see right up here, look at this. I'm going to do this month alone now, which is March 1st through March 29th, which we are today. And as you can see, my commissions for this month with this business, take a look right here, okay? Boom, $12,000 using this $25 business. And sometime around this day back here, somewhere in the last week, we finally broke the magical $100,000 mark with a business that only cost $25 to start. And we did it mostly with free traffic that we are generating from social media platforms that we started setting up on day 7 and forward. We're going to show you how to do that with all of these upcoming modules. So guys, go transition to the video right now. We're going to be transitioning into the next portion of this video, which will show you which apps you need to download. Once you're done with that, get those downloaded. And then tomorrow's video, we will start actually creating and setting up our different social media accounts. But you got to have all your email accounts set up and saved. You got to have all the apps downloaded before we can actually start going and creating this different content. All right, so that's it with today's video. Go watch the rest of this training coming up now. And then if you guys have any questions, comments, put them down below. Other than that, we will see you guys in tomorrow's video. All right, in this video, we're actually going to be walking you through all the necessary apps that you're going to need to download. So the very first one you're going to use is something called CapCut. And there's 2 reasons that we use CapCut. One is that it allows us to take one video and then repurpose that across multiple social media accounts with different call to actions at the end, which you'll learn about in a later date and exactly how to do that. But it also allows us to not get stuck with some of the social media accounts. Will actually throw in like an overlapping logo of, like, say, TikTok. So TikTok video would have the TikTok logo on it. And then YouTube and Instagram really don't like those being uploaded because it has the TikTok logo labeled on it. So by using the CapCut, we can shoot the video outside of these social media platforms, edit it directly in CapCut, change out the CTAs, and then upload it to those social media accounts. All right, so that is the very first one. I have my phone pulled up right here. And as you can see, this is what the icon looks like. It should say CapCut, and it looks just like that for you guys that are out there looking for it. And by the way, I'll also put a maybe like a little PDF directly below this video with this right here. So CapCut will be the first one that you're going to need to download. Next up is going to be TikTok. So I'm not going to walk you through, actually downloading all of these individually. You just go over to the App Store on whatever device you have, you find it, and then you click install. So TikTok will be the next one that you're going to need to install. Then you're going to have to jump over and grab Instagram. Now, there are 2 YouTube apps that you do need to download. One of them is the YouTube itself. That one allows you to upload your YouTube shorts, but then you need the YouTube Studio so that when we upload the YouTube short videos, we can go in and add and edit the video description of those YouTube shorts by adding the hashtags and our link to whatever product you're going to be selling inside those video descriptions. So make sure those are 2 separate ones. So actually go over to YouTube or to your App Store, and then make sure you type up top. There will be 2 of them. There will be a YouTube, which was the one that allows you to actually upload it, the YouTube Shorts, that is. I know it's kind of confusing because of the YouTube Shorts and a YouTube Studio, but the actual YouTube app itself is what allows you to upload the actual YouTube Shorts. So if you have an old YouTube app already installed as well, and you don't have the available to upload shorts at the bottom of that YouTube app, make sure that you go ahead and update that app as well. Then once you type in YouTube, then jump right on over and then type in YouTube Studio, because it is a different app, and that's what allows us to actually, edit and check the video statistics and things like that. So make sure you have all of those apps. So there's your checklist. And the very final thing that we will be using throughout this video, which is there's not really an app for both platforms for it, but they do have an online presence. If you go to app.iqhashtags.com/English/dashboard and search, we'll be using that website at a later date as well, because we're going to be using it to confirm, to make sure some of the hashtags and the research that we're going to be doing, those hashtags aren't banned. So that way it doesn't hurt any of our presence on that social media accounts, or end up getting some of those videos banned, or they'll end up getting no views at all. So for now, just go ahead and download all of these apps. Once you have all of these apps downloaded, then you can move on to the very next video. But for now, make sure you get those installed: the CapCut, TikTok, Instagram, and your YouTube Shorts. And then just make sure you download and save this PDF file, and then go to that website that's on that PDF file and actually just bookmark that inside your web browser. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.